So, how to actually earn money on Displate? Well, people basically upload posters, right? And they just create and upload their original artworks to this platform where they will be printed and sold as metal posters. For example, let's say I go ahead and choose this one right here. As you can see, you'll see a bunch of different options. It will show as a poster in your living room, right? You can choose frames, you can select the product type, the size, and then there are also some coupon codes. And you basically go ahead and purchase this, and that is the customer will be doing as well, right? And for each sale, you earn a commission. Essentially, you make money by selling your digital art designs through their print on demand service. That is basically what they are. They're a marketplace that sells metal posters, but they use your designs and you earn a commission for it. Okay? And you use their marketplace to basically reach a large customer base through Displate's marketing efforts. Now, if you want to go ahead and earn quite a substantial amount of money on Displate, you want to go ahead and create high quality art. Okay? And you need to design a visually appealing and unique artwork that basically resonates with a specific target audience. For example, this one would be probably for One Piece fans. This one for Thanos fans or Marvel fans, right? This for nature fans, or I think this is a bonsai tree, something related to Japan, maybe, right? So you just go ahead and design this appealing, visually appealing art, unique artwork, and then just go ahead and set up a Displate account, register as an artist on the platform, create your online store, and just go ahead and upload your designs. So you come here on your profile icon, click here on upload your network, and here you can just go ahead and drag and drop your image, and you will be able to upload it. Then just go ahead and market your store, right? Promote your Display shop on social media, engage with potential customers, consider collaborations with influencers, use a compelling title, okay? And also descriptions to basically attract buyers. Make sure you go ahead and do proper keywords there so you can rank in the search when someone's searching for that. And then just go ahead and keep analyzing your sales data and go ahead and keep monitoring them and the performance and understand what designs are popular and adjust your strategy accordingly. And it's really that easy and simple.